Mastering English Phrases, and again. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, and again. This phrase is simple yet versatile, and understanding its various uses will certainly add flair to your English communication. So, let's explore together how this phrase works in different contexts. The phrase, and again, is used to indicate repetition or to introduce an additional point. It's similar to saying, once more, or, another thing is. For example, when repeating a point for emphasis, I love this book. And again, I can't stress enough how good it is. When adding a new point, he's great at soccer. And again, he's also a fantastic basketball player. Understanding the context is key to grasping the full meaning of this phrase. And again, is often used in daily conversations and public speaking. It's a handy tool for 1. Emphasizing a point. And again, I want to remind everyone to submit their reports by Friday. 2. Transitioning to a related topic. We've discussed the budget. And again, we need to consider the timeline. This versatility makes it a useful phrase in both formal and informal settings. In written English, and again, can be used to structure arguments or highlight important information in essays, reports, or articles. For instance, in an essay, the study shows an increase in sales. And again, customer satisfaction has also improved. It's a concise way to connect ideas and maintain the flow of your writing. For English learners, here are some tips to effectively use, and again. 1. Practice with examples. Try creating your own sentences using, and again. 2. Listen for it. Pay attention to its use in movies, shows, or native conversations. 3. Use it sparingly. While it's useful, overuse can make your speech or writing seem repetitive. And again, is a simple yet powerful phrase in the English language. Its ability to emphasize points and connect ideas makes it valuable in both speech and writing. We hope this video helps you understand and use, and again, more confidently in your English communication. Don't forget to practice, and see how it enhances your language skills. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content.